Hi, my name is Matthew Rhys, and some of you might have thought that I am indeed American. Others might have thought that I was indeed Russian. For all of you to know, I'm neither. I am indeed Welsh. Dwi'n Gymro Cymraeg. Now, we here in Wales have heard you're celebrating a rather large birthday, and enormous congratulations on your 250th. However, I do believe that some of this celebration rests squarely on our shoulders, the Welsh. Gadewch mi ddweud wrthoch chi pam. Let me tell you why. Where to begin? Some say that the United States was discovered by a Welshman, Madoc, way before Columbus. Frank Lloyd Wright, one of your greatest architects. Griffith Jenkins Griffith, one of the true pioneers of Los Angeles. Camp David, named after our patron saint. The liquor you drink, Jack Daniel. Let's talk about your Declaration of Independence and how many indeed signed it with Welsh heritage. Francis Lewis, instrumental in the Revolution. Sam Adams, Thomas Jefferson. So, you owe us, America. Yes, we'll help you celebrate your 250 years, but you should really help us.
Noble brothers and sisters, do the little things which you have heard from me and which I have shown you.
Celebrate our patron saint's day
On March the 1st.
St. David's. So you're probably wondering how. Let me tell you. Gwnewch y pethau bychan. Do the little things as he told us to do. Wear a leek, eat a leek. Wear a daffodil, eat a Welsh cake. Share a cwtch, cuddle. Celebrate St. David's. Have a very great St. David's. A dydd gŵyl dewi hapus iawn.
Indeed, to goodness, it's been a very good St. David's Day today. Da bo chi.